I've been with Marketo for about 1.5 years now, and I realized that customers are my primary focus. Right? Obviously, building relationships with customers and empowering those customers to be successful in the technology that they acquire. And so during that process, you're always looking for that right partner, right? You're trying to find a partner you can trust. And Marketo's got a lot of great partners, absolutely. But I built a great relationship with the Digital Pie team, and after understanding their expertise, their success from the past, it really became a great way for me to say, this is a partner I can actually go to and would like to work with now and in the future to ensure that customer success. I mean, the amount of experience is honestly probably unparalleled from what I've seen. So bringing that experience to bear, that mind share, it just helps me guarantee the success for my customers. In my conversation with Digital Pie, it wasn't just a single person that had the breadth of experience. It was a team that from the top down had experience from a practitioner standpoint, from an executive standpoint, and could speak at all the different levels throughout that engagement. I think they brought a strategy that was sound. I believe it's a 12-point, it's a gold standard strategy. It's fantastic. So again, that experience, that success that they've had with their customers really sold me that it's a fantastic partner. Failure is not an option, that's an overused term, but it's really sitting back and listening to the customer, bringing to bear that experience that they've heard other customers go through and help resolve those issues and really find a way to win. I mean, that's what we're all trying to do, is win. All of our customers are successful and they have the great technology, but sometimes there needs to be guidance on how to better utilize that technology to become successful. I had a customer like that. They came in, they sat down, looked at the broader, the current situation with that customer, understand where there could be some fixes, better strategy, maybe reformat a couple of things, but ultimately got that customer up and running, driving the success, building on fantastic analytics. I'm also working with them now, earlier in the stages, from a potential net new customer who's really trying to understand that whole marketing automation story, right? It's not just marketing automation, but it's a broader digital strategy. How do we understand how this digital strategy is going to really impact our organization from financials, but also how do we improve the customer engagement, right? How do we make that a better world for our customers and then ultimately validate that? And we hear it all the time, right? CMOs, how do we build brand? How do we drive better revenue? And how are we going to prove that out? I think that's what Digital Pie brings to the table. Marketing is going to change in the next 3 years more than it has in the past 10. It's a fantastic industry, it's continued to grow. I mean, look around you, you have all these partners, all these great things happening, right? So that digital transformation, along with Marketo and Digital Pie, is going to be a great success. I wouldn't work with them unless I had an absolute belief that they're bringing the best resources to bear. These resources are sound, they're proven, they've never let me down, and I don't expect them to let down the customer, and I have nothing to say any more that they're not. I mean, they're just great people across the board.